How to use the Fibonacci extension tool for stop loss and take profit. First, make sure you have the extension tool in here. If it's not here, right click, customize, Fibonacci expansion, insert, so it shows here, press close. So now it's available. Now we have to modify the settings. So we select the tool, we draw, double click on the red line, right click, expansion properties. Then we have to modify the level, so we delete what's there. Then we add the first one. We start with -0.5. The description is free. I like to use stop loss and percentage dollar. The percentage dollar makes sure that in here you'll see the actual value. Then we add one, 0.5. This will be our entry. Then we add one more, so that will be 1. So that will be 1.5. So that will be our 1 to 1 or take profit. This field is completely free. You can type whatever you prefer. And we get like 2.5. So then we get 2 to 1 or take profit 2. Percentage dollar. Press the add so it's stored. And then OK. So now you see it's modified here, so we can delete it here. And if we draw it again, we got now our modified values. So now I'll show how to use it. So here we have the blue line is a level, so here we have like price action, so we got leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. And instead of that we can also use the Fibonacci level, so we put it on where we want to have our stop loss and where we want to have our entry, and then it automatically draws the values, the position, you take profit 1 and take profit 2. It's like an alternative of drawing boxes. I'll also show it for a cell, so here on the right side of the screen you have a cell, so we have like a leg 1, we have a leg 2, it's like a 1 2 candle LB, then we have our leg 3. So then if I use the Fibo tool, I start where I want to put my stop loss and I release at the level of leg 1, and I have all my information over here.